To divide 4 and 2/3 by 2 1/2, follow these steps. Step 1. Convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. First, convert both mixed numbers into improper fractions. 4 and 2/3. Multiply the whole number, 4, by the denominator, 3, then add the numerator, 2. This gives you 4 times 3 plus 2 is equal to 14. So 4 and 2/3 becomes 14/3. 2 1/2. Multiply the whole number, 2, by the denominator, 2, then add the numerator, 1. This gives you 2 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 2 1/2 becomes 5/2. Step 2. Division of fractions. To divide fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, instead of dividing 14/3 by 5/2, you multiply 14/3 by the reciprocal of 5/2, which is 2/5. Step 3. Multiply the fractions. Now, multiply the numerators and denominators. Step 4. Convert the improper fraction to a mixed number, if needed. 28/15 is an improper fraction, so convert it to a mixed number. Divide 28 by 15. The quotient is 1, since 15 goes into 28 once, and the remainder is 13. So, 28/15 becomes 1 and 13/15. Final answer. The result of dividing 4 and 2/3 by 2 1/2 is 1 and 13/15.